everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is time for another plan with Vivi. We are planning the month of March in my Erin Condren Lifeplanner, and the kit I'm using is going to be another one by Print Petticoat Bandit. Like I said in my February video, I decided that I was going to use Print Petticoat Bandit kits for all of my monthly spreads this year, as I used Planning Choco last year. I really have become to like the kits that Print Petticoat Bandit has, and so I want to go ahead and use them all as my monthly spreads. And there's a lot going on in March, so enough of that. Let's show you the kit and then we'll get started. All right, so the kit comes in 3 pages. So you have it's a printable file, so you get 1 page A, B, a second page, and then 2 options for the 3rd page. So this is the first page here. So this is page A. So you've got the March up here with your Sunday through Wednesday. You've got your day covers here. You have some payday stickers and some little arrow stickers here. The second part is the Thursday through Saturday. And then you have your holidays: Spring Forward, Spring Begins, St. Patrick's Day, Ash Wednesday, International Day of Happiness, and then you have all of your little icons here. And then you have, I think these are some more arrow stickers right here, and then you have some page flags on this side as well. And then on page 2, you have both A and B. So you've got the headers right here for the stackable sidebar if you want to use that on the monthly spread. You also have some birthday balloons here. You have these time strips right here. So this is like, we'll cover like 2 days, 4 days, 3 days. It kind of like, if you've got something going on for a longer period of time, you can use these to denote a stretch of time. And then of course you have your little appointment boxes, which these little boxes here fit perfectly inside of that little space. And then you've got some for all of the little colors. So you can match, or you can mix match if you want to. So that's on that part there. And then you also have birthday boxes, some cleaning, some beauty appointments, some popcorn boxes, night out, big plans, some glam up days, some nail polish, happy meals, some exercise shoes right there, some little Nikes going on, and some more balloons for birthdays. You've got bill due, page flags there, some regular page flags. Then you have the 2 boxes here to cover up the days that don't go with the month of March. And then you have some fancy labels here. You also have just a little strip of deco right here at the bottom. I like this Ray Dunn inspired mug. This is Top of the Morning. And then these cute little Mickey ears are also adorable. So you have that. And then for the 3rd page, you had 2 different fashion girls that you could pick from. The one that I picked was the second option, and this is the girl all the way, you know, dressed up. The other one is just like more of I guess St. Patrick's Day film. Like, it was just the girls kind of like from the bust up, and it had like this floral shamrock garland on it. And I just went ahead and did this girl because I liked it, plus because it has Quidditch on here. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, you know, a hoodie with, you know, Ireland Quidditch or whatever, it's gonna speak to me. And so I already went ahead and I did the glitter on the girl that I'm going to use right here. And also with this kit, I pulled out some other items that I want to use. I pulled out these from Plan for Happy. That's just a little bear with the birthday balloons. I thought that was cute. I still have some stickers from SweetKawaiiDesign. They say happy birthday, so I want to make sure I get to use those as well. Hopefully I get to finish them out. I also pulled the double dot banners from Planner Kate. And then I also pulled out these little post-it note looking stickers that are from Planning Choco. So we'll see what we end up doing there. And I also need to pull out another sheet of stickers from PinkPaperplane because this is March. So guess what's happening March 1st through 3rd? It's PlannerCon 2019 in San Francisco. And yes, I am going to be there. So if you are going to PlannerCon in San Francisco, don't forget to give me a shout out or send me a DM message on Instagram, and so we can meet and say hi. So with that being said, let's get started with the plan. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is peel up the full box that covers the Sunday through Wednesday. And then I went back and I put the page flag first because that was like the first thing I should have done. And then I'm going to go and lay down the other half, which is the Thursday through Saturday sticker. And I like aligning it up to that little color box on the side. And then I'm going to take the side sticker or the sidebar sticker and lay that down. And be very careful laying it down, make sure it's nice and even. And then I'm going to take that April calendar box and cover up the 28th of February off of that calendar. And then I took that full washi box and I put it on the 2nd because that is actually the first official day of PlannerCon. And then I'm going to take the holiday stickers and I'm going to put those down. I was going to put it down just like that, but then I decided to go ahead and just white out what was underneath and then I'll lay down the holiday sticker. So now I'm going to take some of those those glitter strips, the time to mark out the length of time, and I'm going to put them down on the 1st, 2nd, all the way down until I get to March 9th because I am going on, that's when I'm going to be on vacation. So I'm taking, February 27th through March 9th off for vacation, and that's because I'm going to PlannerCon. And when I go on vacation, I like to take just the day before I leave off, and I do like to take that the week after, just because this time I'm going to be flying in on a Monday, and I want to make sure I take a Tuesday off because I'm getting in at midnight, and then I just have the only day, and my work week is Sunday through Wednesday, and Wednesday's only a half day, so I just went ahead and took the whole entire week off. So I put down the Jennifer Scribbler in her little party outfit with the balloons to mark down PlannerCon. And I went ahead and I started putting the day covers on there. And then I'm just using the Stabilo pen in like a tealy color. And I wrote down PlannerCon 2019, and then I took my Signo DX Uniball pen in a .38 and wrote San Francisco underneath it. And I did put one of the double dot page banners down, or the double dot banners from Planner Kate 1 down on the 2nd because a good friend of mine, he's getting married, and unfortunately I'm missing it, but I had told him that, I had this trip for PlannerCon planned a whole year in advance before him and his fiance picked out their wedding day. So unfortunately, I'm going to miss it. So I went ahead and drew a line through the little time strip, and that is just to mark PlannerCon. And then I decided to go ahead and put all the day covers on. That way I knew where I was going to be placing my stickers, and just to get that out the way. So now I'm writing down last day of PlannerCon on March 3rd. And then I am pulling out my PinkPaperplane little airplane guide there. And then I also took out one of the flight trackers from ScribblePrintsCo and just picked out one that I thought would go best, and I laid that sticker down first. Actually, I laid the airplane down and then I put that. And then I am going to pull up my flight info and I'm just going to write my times down. So I won't forget. So the next day following March 5th is Mardi Gras. So I am taking out, that is my purple Erin Condren pen. I took out the yellow Erin Condren pen and the green Stabilo pen to do like a little decorative bead necklace, kind of going around the whole entire box. And then I'm going to write Mardi Gras. And then I use my little black pen just to kind of make it look like the string attaching the beads together. And the next day is Ash Wednesday, and it already has its little holiday banner there, so we're moving on. And then I am pulling out some little stickers to try to denote that, you know, you're still on vacation, make sure you take some time for yourself kind of thing. And I went ahead and I pulled out some little script and relaxation girl stickers from Paper and Gumption. And then I continue on. I'm putting down another double dot banner, and that is because I have a birthday to mark down. And for this one, I am using the little like soft serve yogurt cup from SweetKawaiiDesign and writing down the name of my friend whose birthday it is. So moving on to March 8th, it is payday. So I put down one of the little post-it notes, and I took one of these little stack of money stacks and wrote down payday. And then I do also have a friend's birthday that day, so I'm using one of the appointment boxes with the little icon balloon cover and then writing the name of my friend's name whose birthday it is. And then moving on to Saturday is a good friend of mine who's like a brother to me, his birthday, as well as my cousin's birthday, so I'm putting that down. And then I have another birthday following that. I realized that I actually have a lot of birthdays in March for family and friends, so I'm putting that one down. And I think the next day is another birthday as well. And so I'm just kind of alternating between using the Plan for Happy Bears and then the stickers from SweetKawaiiDesign. And then on days where there's like absolutely nothing going on, I just went ahead and just put some of the deco down. So I have another birthday on the 15th, and so I'm writing that down. Sometimes I get fancy with my writing, sometimes it's just plain. I just like mixing it up. It all just depends on what I feel when I am writing it down. So on this one, I went ahead and I put down a post-it note sticker, and then I did have to lift it up because I completely messed up when I was doing the name. So I just went back and corrected it. And moving on to the 17th, I definitely didn't have anybody's birthday going on there, but I did put down the Mickey ears because it's so cute. And then writing down another birthday on the 18th. And then just putting deco down again where nothing's going on. And so on this one, I had 2 birthdays, and so I decided to put 2 decorative. I did balloons and I did the little gift. And so I had on this day, I had 2 things going on. One's payday and one is birthday. So again, I am adjusting that, and I put down again a post-it note and a money stack for the payday. I was kind of happy I didn't have any birthdays going on this I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't like it when the week goes long and then they split that day up, and it's just, I don't know, it irks me to have that box split in half to cover 2 days. Because if I've got stuff going on, it's never enough room. So on this one right here, it was next to the quill, and I went ahead and I wrote down the birthday. I wrote down the name before I stuck the sticker, and then when I flipped over, I remembered I forgot I had something going on the 15th. Cody Johnson's playing at Houston Rodeo, and I am gonna go so I can go see my brother. I haven't seen him in a long time. I want to say, was it Christmas? I don't even think I saw him at Christmas, but it's been a while since I've seen him, so I want to go and make sure I get to go see my brother and enjoy the Houston Rodeo. I think my parents are going to go as well, so that's going to be some fun for us. And so here I am putting down the little planner because the ATEX Planner Addicts are meeting at the Erin Condren Austin store on the 30th, and I want to make sure I don't forget. And that's it. This was a quick and easy plan with me. I hope you enjoyed it. So take care of you. Happy planning, and bye.